I think yesterday I gave you a task. Raise your hand. How many of you tried it? I'm saying it, just tried it. Good. Down. Raise your hand. How many of you not tried it? See, some persons were honest. Some person did not raise for both. That means they are not having hands. Right? What does that mean, Ray? You are not tried or you are trained? What is that? In the process. Good. Now, anyway, listen, sir. When you are trying it, you will get doubts. You will get errors. You will get problems. And that's what make you think. If you never tried it, you will never get any problem, and it's waste actually. Okay. So let's see the questions and let's try it on our own. One, how to convert a zip file into IMDb movies of .csv. I'm able to convert the file into MySQL. Listen, ma. Yesterday even I checked it. The data import wizard is actually not taking the all rows. It is taking the minimum number of rows. I think the present version of Workbench is having an error, which is a recent updated actually. So what we will do in the main project, I will write some script to load it into the server. Okay, we will write some script load server. But now, how many lines it take? At least it will take something. It will not keep it like empty page. It will take it at least some 100 or 200 or 300. Okay, how much it will take it, sir? And that many, with that many you can start it. Or I have another solution. Let me open my Workbench. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close all. No need. Now, let's delete all the databases also if you want. Now, see here, students are there. Movies, I am deleting movies. Drop movies. Drop database movies. Drop database classic models. Now, see, sir, the first solution is this. Try to download from the datasets of Kaggle. If one is not working, like actually it will work it like it will give you some lines. It won't give you complete. Maybe if it is 1000 records, it may not give 1000 records. Some files will give you more number of records. Some CSV are not giving more number of records. There is a problem with the wizard, I think. Okay. In the main project, I will make sure we import everything. Okay. Now, and I will share you whatever the files I have also. Let's start it here. Create database movies. Now refresh. Now go here, movies, then right click, import. Go to tables, import, data import wizard. Now see, let's take it. Sir, it depends on the systems. In my system, it's not taking. Okay. If it is taking for you, it's fine. Okay, no worries about it. If it's not taking, my sincere suggestion is try different databases. All you have to do is go to Kaggle and download it, right? Yesterday, when I tried this IMDb one, it took only, it's like 178. I tried in another database and it took something 998 records. I will give you both the databases which I have, okay? So that you can try it. If already table exists, let's just drop it. Here, some systems will go with UTF-8, some systems will go with something CP1250. It's about the character codes, okay? And then Next, the next. That's it. Now again it take 178 this one. Okay, now refresh it. Now let's go here one more time. Table data wizards. This time I'm going with another one. See, highest gross collection movie Hollywood something is there na. I just downloaded it and I'm just going with that. In this, something, let's name it as movies 2. Now, if you see here, it took 954 rows. Okay, but understand, it 10 and 20 rows are enough for you to experiment all these things. You are just in a learning phase. So for your experimental phase, 10 and 20 are enough. Okay. Even when you are doing the project also, 100 lines, 100 rows, okay, of something nice data is good. Okay. But if you wanted big data, let's go with something 1,000 rows or something 500 rows. That will be enough to make it a nice analysis. Okay. And then you will write the different queries and all. See, this took it nearly 954. So there is no particular point like it has to take it like one row or something 178 limit or something. There is actually the problem with the table wizard only. Okay. Or, sir, I don't want to go with this wizard and all. I want to create it using command prompt or using some query. In that cases, sir, I just got one basic SQL file. See, let me open it for you. It is a basic SQL file. I will give you this. Okay, see. Here it will create one database, classic models. If you want it, you can change the names. And in that, if already contains any tables, it will just delete it. And if it's not, it will create one table and it will create the tables of different ratios, and automatically it will only insert the data also. Okay. So this whole file, I will just give it to you, ma. All you need to do is just, okay, here limit goes here 10,000 rows. Now, after this, just, okay, what happened? Go here, open SQL script. And then run it. Limit some. Why it's not working for? Okay, here it has to connect, na? Yeah. Open script. Now here. Now let's run it, sir. Now it will only create the databases, sir, for you. Now where it is classic models is not created. Okay, it is taking time, I think. It got stuck. My workbench not responding. Some server, some Windows got stuck. So if you run it, you will get the all tables so that you can practice it nicely, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it created a classic model. It has all the tables and each table has some data, sir. You can even check it with that. Okay. For relations or all, you can no need to worry. You can just import that and you can check it here, sir. Okay. So let me check it here. If I see this, see, each one has some table data. Each table has some data, sir. that whole commands I gave it. There is nothing great in that commands, just it will create the table and it will give you insert. Okay, if you want it, you can check it also. You can change the data also however you like it, but it just take it some time. Okay, is it clear, ma? For the persons who are using command line shell, go with the SQL commands which I'm giving it. Okay, that whole file copy and go with your SQL one automatic command line prompt and it will work. Okay, but if you are going with that command line client, only the thing is remove that semicolons. Each line have the semicolons. Why? Because the moment it sees semicolon, it will stop executing, right? It will just cut it out. Now it's like semicolon is end of the statement. Now, okay, let's discuss the queries in the meanwhile. What are the problems here? Download this dataset and import it and perform the following queries. Now, print the number of movies based on the actor. How do you print the number of movies? Select, count, whatever the column name, his movies. Huh? Series title. Very good. How many are having a title actually? From table name, whatever the table name which is movies basically, or by default it will be IMDb underscore 100 or something. Okay, from Novena, where actor equals to something or director equals to something. Any doubt, sir? Any doubt, sir? Now better to make it any one run, like either you select with actor or you select with director. Okay, now next one. A series means, see, it is just one column name. It depends on your database, right? If we have the database, based on the database values, it will change. Now go here, check it here. What is the database here? Movies, tables, IMDb, select. Here, see, series title is there. Select, count, series title, series underscore title from where where actor there is no actor one. I think star one, right? Is there any column named actor? No. Poster, series title, released year, runtime. I think star one only, right? So go with star one, which is equals to Al Pacino. Al Pacino. So select now. Now see it printed 3. Based on the values, it will print. And as what you can do here, you can change the name, number of movies. Sir, see number of movies in printed. In real time scenarios, how you will do it, you will use some variables. It's like, see, imagine this all are functions. In your programming languages, someone will write function and later what they will do for static function, they will give one arguments. right or not? Imagine if this Al Pacino value is a dynamic value. Imagine this is a function which will take it an argument as actor name, and every time if you call that function with an actor name, automatically it will find that particular person's how many movies are there, right or not? Right? And that kind of things you can do it, sir, using procedures which we will discuss. We can take it as a functions. Now, okay, this is one logic, or second one. Next. Dash, dash. Now, count with the movie's name. See, this is the problem. Someone asked like count with the movie's name. That cannot be done. That can be done by using group by actually. But what is the problem here, you know? See, Al Pacino did 3 movies. Okay. Now, what is the count? 3. So that in one record it is showing 3. But if I'm showing the names has to commit like one by one by one. Okay. It cannot commit in 3 columns, right or not? Can it come in 3 columns? No. But you can do it in one column only, all 3 names. How can you do it? Group concat. If I try it here, group concat here, comma, group concat series title. Now, can you see it? Did you understand the logic, ma? Online, someone asked about it. Yeah. Okay. Someone is having a silly doubt like why should not we use IMDb top 100.csv? See, MySQL workbench is limited in the data import. They are still working on .csv only. If you want to import the data by CSV by the SQL Excel, only .csv is supported. Other formats are not supported. Now, okay, next one. Any doubts in this? Is it clear, ma? Huh. Next one. Let's do the next. What is the next question, sir? Is everyone get the similar answer only, ma? Very good. Now, next one. What is the next question? What is the average IMDb rating based on the actors on director, actor or director? Here in the movie, here I'm getting it. What is the average movie rating? IMDb rating. Column name is IMDb rating. Copy the field name. Let's come here. Select average of IMDb rating from movies, where star 1. Sir, I am using star 1 or director. It's up to you. Okay, we will make it functional. We can even do in future what you will do. To make it work for both, one function only, we will put switch cases. First, it will take it like whether director or actor. If it is a director, it will work it for only director. If it is actor, it will work it for actor. I think if you know basic programming one, next subqueries and all, you can use easily do it. Now, star 1 equals to Al Pacino. Okay. How can we print 2 members data? You can do it, sir. You can put it in. I think you remembered in, right? Included. In means I can put 2 people values. I can say star 1 is Al Pacino or star 1 equals to some other guy. What is the other guy name? Uh, star 1. Is there any other guy who is repeated more? Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt. it's Telugu names, easy. Brad Pitt. Okay, now perfect. So it will go with both values. Okay, if you want to print it, sir. Now let's go here. Now, or you can try it in which is included in an array. Okay, so try to do those kind of things, ma. Now let's run it. Now here, save average. Students dot movies does not exist. Oh, it is opened with students. Very bad. Use movies. Now table movies does not exist. Movies. Okay, okay. Table name is different, na? Okay, okay. I was confused. Yeah, perfect. Now it ran. The average rating for this guy is 8.5. Okay. Any doubt, sir? Is it similar when you did it? Yeah, these are simple ones. Now let's deal with it quickly. Let's go here. Next one. Which movie is having the highest gross collection based on the director or actor? Then next, select what I can do. Max. Max IMDb rating. Right or not? Very good. Okay, gross collection. I'm sorry. I have to check it the gross collection. Na? Gross. Good. Don't worry about the setting up with the data, sir, because see, database people will set it up. Okay, you are the database people also, right? Forget about that. When you are analyzing and writing the query, database will be already there. Okay. And sir, who will give the data? Users will give the data. You don't need to worry. If you go for companies, company will already have the data. Your worry is about extracting the exact pinpoints. Okay. Now here, now star one equals to. I am taking the same name or Brad Pitt, whatever. And oh, this is his maximum one. Okay. That's 37 crores. No, I don't know. Now, next, it's in dollars, I think. Now, let's go here. The next one. What is the next one, sir? Categorize the average oats based on the genre, sir. Now, genre. Now, how to find out whose rating is above? You can try it max. Same thing. Now, see. Sorry. Select. I want to categorize the average oats based on the genre. Okay, so simple. Average, which is number of oats. Is it there? Number of views. No, number of oats is there, na? It's there. Number of oats. Now, number of oats from IMDb underscore top 100. Where? Huh? Okay, okay, okay. Printing mistake, like typing mistake. Now, category. Where genre equals to drama. Where is the genre one? Genre only. Drama. Actually, we can modify this by using whatever we are learning today based on group by, order by, those things. We will modify this queries. Okay. Now let's run it, which will give you the average number of votes per genre drama. Then next, now here, next, next one, number of movies, particular year. Oh, oh, this one is something bigger one. Select number of movies, which is count number of movies. We don't have number of movies, right? Do we? No. Series only. Same like first one, how we did. Series title, where something ho gaya today. Good. Have you guys ever felt this kind of thing where you are working and suddenly your brain switches off? You never felt it? I don't know. Now, find the number of movies in a particular whose rating is greater than 8 and add a column in the result. Oh, this one is more. All the time. Good. Now, rating. I think somewhere I write the rating here. IMDb rating. DB rating. It's greater than 8. Hmm? I didn't understand. Released in a particular year. And IMDb rating has to be greater than 8 and it has to be released year in a particular year, sir. Released year. Copy the field name. Released year equals to 2018. Okay. Yeah. The next. Why it is not bringing anything? Yeah. As count. So in 2018, the one which are having more than IMDb rating 8 are this, comma, group concat, movie title, series title. So these are the 4 movies which are having it more than 4 base. Is it clear, sir? Now, okay, I think I asked you to add a column and I'll do it also. Now, anyway, let's go back to the new topic, sir. Now, first one, everyone focus here. Imagine listen. There are some few clauses which you need to know. There are some few clauses more. First one, order by. Order by. Order by is used to print the results based on the order, ascending or descending. Ascending or descending. Order by is used to print the results based on the order, sir, either by ascending results or descending results. You are printing all the people names and you want to print them in ascending order. You want it salary list, people's list based on their salaries in the increasing order, or you want them in decreasing order so that the highest person who is getting more salary will be first. You want to print the movies with the highest movie rating as first. And this functionality is called generally as sorting. I think you know this basically, right? This functionality is basically called as sorting, sir. Now let's start it here. Now for Supraja, who is asking for in this course, we won't discuss APIs, that is backend. Now let's start it, sir, here. Select whatever the column name you want it. Column name from table name, whatever the where condition. So till now it's same. These three are responsible to get you the result. These three are responsible to just to get you the result. Once you get the result, all you need to do is order by a specific column, sir. Order by a column name with some order. Either by default, if you did not mention, it will be ascending order. But if you want it, you can mention ascending or descending. Uh, Ascending or descending, sir. Now, if you go here in the actual notes which I gave you, this notes I provided you, all of you, you can see it actually in the commands I gave it completely. You can check it here, sir. Select and the columns names, whatever you want it from. Where is always optional. This guy wants a condition or not wants a condition, it does not matter. Select and from are mandatory. Once you get the result, then order by which column you want to order. If you don't mention anything, by default, it will be ascending order. If you want descending order, mention it. Okay. So let's try it, sir. Let's try. Write a query to get movies titles, movie titles, uh, based on IMDb rating in decreasing order. Decreasing order means highest one will come first. Okay, right? Now, so let's start it here, sir. All notes will be in the Google Drive, ma. You can check it in the Google Drive. Okay. Now, let's go here. Let's check it here. Now, let's start it here. Select series title from movies. No, what is that? IMDb. IMDb top 100. IMDb top 100. Where I don't need any condition. I can put or it's up to my wish. Order by, order by. And here I will give order by IMDb rating. Order by IMDb rating. Descending. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, sir? Yeah. Let's run it. It is not running immediately. Now see, the one with the highest movie rating will come, and slowly the one with the lowest movie rating will come. In case if you selected the elements with the text value, it will go with alphabetical order. Ascending order by default, it will go with alphabetical order. If you go with descending, it will go with reverse alphabetical order, which is like Z will be first and then like that. I think you know alphabetical orders, right? Yeah. Same like that. Now, next. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts? If I did not mention this descending, still it will work, but the lowest one will come first. Is it clear? Now you can even mention it more interestingly, like where actor one is Al Pacino, like only his movies in the name of only I want his movies, but I want it like ordered by IMDb rating. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? No. Now next. This whole file I will add it. Don't worry. Now, now condition this case. What is that? Sir, here, what if someone gave it here instead of IMDb rating? Someone gave it here series title. Alphabetical order will come, sir. So simple. Now see, H will come first, then S will come, then T will come. Okay. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Now next, let's go with same thing, sir. There is no difference if it is alphabetical order, if it is normal numbers. You won't do anything. Just a column name difference. If you give column name, it will only understand it. Then next. Next one you need to find is group by. Where is this? And in between alias. Now next. The next one you have to know is group by, sir. Now, group by is used to group up the things, sir. Now, if you see, I think you all remembered my employee table. Listen, sir, just for a case, everyone, just for a case, I'm remembering you. In my employee table, earlier I did one employee table. In this employee table, what happened, you know? We created one column named promotion. Some people are having promotion as, some people are having promotion. No. I want the people who are having S. I want the people who are having no. Or I want the number of people who are having yes promotion. I want the number of people who are having no promotion. Or imagine employees list in that gender is there where male and female are there. At the end, I wanted one sheet where how many number of males are there, how many number of females are there, both in one table only. You got my point? Did you get it, sir? Where one column, when it have multiple values, based on one column repetitive value, you want to group them. Students are playing games. One student is having the game with the cricket, one student having their main sport as some other football, some other one having some other game, Coco. So I want the list of people who are having cricket, who are having Coco, who are having some other thing. Okay. In that kind of scenario, sir, you will use something called group by. What you will use? Group by. Okay. So let's use it here. Select asterisk from. If you want to use the group by, the syntax is you will select whatever the columns you want it. You will write it from and where condition. It's up to you always. Only the thing is group by and what column you want to group them based on what column you want to group. Now let's go here and let's write it here. Select from. I don't want any condition. I want a group by promotion. Group by promotion. Now let's enter, sir. Now group by class containing not aggregates. So here you are printing all the values now, but group by will actually goes with some kind of aggregate functions. I want it like count the peoples. Okay, count asterisk. Now see here it is printing it based on the promotion. Here it did not print the values. So I wanted to print value also. Promotion. See, I printed the counts. Asterisk means all. Take it like all. Okay. Or a specific name. Usually in the brackets, we will give primary key so that everyone will have it. Okay. Count employee ID, promotion. And I'm printing two things. If you remember, when we are doing it some yesterday, it will not have it like this. Okay. Sir, if you want to print count and normally some other value, it will not come without group by. Earlier, someone asked me, three movies I wanted, and I want three people's value also. So for what we used something called group concat, right? In the same line. Because I told you a reason, we can't print them in three rows because we are having the same value. Okay. But here we can do that kind of things. So I wanted to group the people based on one category. The people who are playing cricket all, the people who are male, who are female, the people who are having similar class teacher, the people who are belongs to same class, the people who are ordering pizza, the people who are ordering some kind of shopping item. You got my point? I want the count of people who are exactly ordering from morning 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. In between that particular time, I will put the condition where if I have these timings, actually imagine I have two timings like start time and end time, then I will write it like between start time and between end time. You got it right. So I will get the selective people who are in between and I will have a group promotion also. Is it clear, sir? Group is used to group the things. Okay. Now imagine a scenario where we can use it, this one in the movies. Think about in movies, we have it like year. Based on the year, I want the number of movies released in particular year. I want the number of movies released per year based on that. Or are the number of movies which are having it some basic rating. Okay. Based on the rating. Or let's write it here, sir. Released year. Copy the field name. Count. Asterisk. Comma. Released year from. Okay. Group by released year. See, in 1994, 5 movies released. 1970 to 190. It's not like that many movies released. We got that much data in our database. When I'm printing it, if you want to print it in an order, I want to print it in ascending order of the years. Order by released year. See, based on the ascending order, I will first print the year and then next this comma, and then I will name it as number of movies. Any doubt, sir? How many movies are having A certificate? How many movies are having R certificate? How many movies are having some other? How many movies of certain Brad Pitt released in a certain year having A certificate? These kind of crazy questions, when you have it, you will find it by queries, sir. Is it clear? Boys, is it clear? Yeah. Then next. Now. Now next. Go here. Now next here. Not but not least, which is easy one, having. Having. Sir, listen. Everyone focus here. When you are getting the data used on group by, you can't put any conditions on that. Already having certain condition, you got the data. And that data you are grouping it, right or not? See, after applying these three conditions, these three rules, you have one data. That data you are grouping it. That data only you are ordering it, right? Imagine after you got the data, you want to put one condition. Based on the condition, you want to group them. Based on a condition, you want to group them, or based on a condition, you want to order them. Then you will go with something called having. You will use something called having, sir. Now, list the number. For example, if the continents are there, here, this is a simple example. I want to list the number of continents which are having region more than 6. Imagine I'm getting all the data and I'm grouping by the continent and then having the count. Okay. Now let's try it, sir. Now, list having, where is this? Having IMDb rating, IMDb rating greater than 8.6. Unknown column IMDb rating. It is there, na? Released year. Huh. Okay. Expression of select list in not group by class. I will anyway I am grouping by released year, right? I will say released year greater than 2000. Now it works. See, listen, sir. So having is used to specify the data. Already you got it, guys. Last, guys. Focus here. Okay. Now listen. Already you got these three conditions, sir. In these conditions, I got the complete details. After getting this, I am grouping the people based on the released year. In that grouping also, I don't want all the people who are greater than, all the people. I don't want all years. I want the data of the years. where released year is greater than 2000. In those specific conditions, sir, we will use something called greater some condition having conditions are specified with the group by columns. Okay, whereas where condition you can put anything, right? Where conditions you can put, specify on any column. Here where we can use where we can use having. For example, I want it again IMDb rating, a specific rating people only I want it. Now I can apply something like this in the where. It's not wrong because where you can apply for any columns. Only the rule is that column should be there in that particular table. But having should be applied on where you are applying that group by. Okay. Is it clear, sir? Yeah. Now, next one. Now, see, now I will get the people who are movies who are greater than after 2000 year, and in that also I will get it only IMDb greater than 8.6 movies, and for each year how many are there? I'm getting it. Okay. Any doubts? No. Now next. Okay, order by, group by, and having. Now let's discuss an interesting topic called joins. Sir, we covered the basic commands, sir. All the basic commands which you needed for your queries, you will get it. Only one concept are remaining for your basic starting of you. If you want to start it data analysis, only one concept is there, which is joins, and which is very, very important topic in the concept of any SQL part. Okay. Imagine you have two tables. Let me show you picture only. I will give you some data picture here. Now listen. See this picture, sir. Now if I have it here, this whole data, actually I gave you one database file. If you import that database file, automatically you will get this whole data. Okay. Now here in this data, see this one. Guys, understand the company requirements. Something product line is there. Like it is having product line, it is having the text description, some HTML description or something image for the product. Okay. Now next, you have something products. Each product is having their product code and product line. See, this product line is a primary key in some other one. Here, see, product line here is primary key. But here what it is then? What it is? Foreign key. One table's primary key will be considered in another table for this commands of joins only. How two tables will be connected by using something called join. Okay. Now here, this is product line. It is a foreign key, sir, here. Now, next. Now see, this one can be repeated. Imagine here product line 101 is there. For product line 101, you have certain product like Samsung, and for product line 101, you have some 10 products like Nokia also. Imagine. So you have two products with one product line, and that product line is unique in this particular table. And here, when it comes to the products table, it's not unique. It's just a foreign key. I want the names of products based on the product line. So from this table to it will come. Is it clear? Or I will give you product line. I want image and I want product name, both. Image I will have it here, and product names I will have it here in the first table and second table. How you will connect these two tables is joins. Joins are a concept here. How you will join two tables in one SQL file in your code. Okay. Now next one. If you see here, something called orders are there or customers are there. Now here, I have a customer name. Imagine there is a customer named Raj. Customer name is there and orders are there. Here, see, orders, number of orders and all. Customer name is going here. Is there any, see, customer number, I think. It's going from the customer number. And then it is connected with order line number, order details. Now, I want it. I will give you one customer name. I want it how many orders he did. Or I want it each of the price for his orders. So how you will do, sir? If you have tables in front of you, you know how you will do. First I will check it like what is the customer name. Okay, Raj. Uska customer number kya hai? 101. Then you will go to orders table. In the orders table, 101 customer number will be there. Right or not? Then for that you will check it like what is his order number. His order number, everyone will have order number like something unique name. Imagine 1133 something is there. And then you will go to order details and you will check it based on the order number. Okay, which is 1133. Is there any products for 1133? He will give whatever the prices are there. And both the prices you will print. Right or not? Imagine in front of you tables are there. That's how you will go from one table to another table. How you will transfer based on the common data. Imagine two tables are not having any common data. And you can't move data from, you can't go from one database, one table to another table. There is no relation there. Something should be there common. And that common data should be unique in one particular one. It's like primary in one particular one. And that details only will pass it to the next one as something called foreign key. Imagine here, instead of custom number, I take it as customer name. Then it would be wrong. Why? I said it like check the details based on the Prasad. Then you will come here, Prasad, okay. Then you will go to orders table. Here, whatever the Prasad details are there, all you will take it. What if 3-4 people are there, Prasad, the same name? Right or not? So you should always, foreign key should be based on primary key of some other table. In real-time database, you won't have big databases. Okay. Sorry, you won't have big values. Instead, what you will have is small tables with a minimal number of columns. Okay, but all are interrelated like this. Say a big database here. Now, online is voice is okay. Candidate key. No, actually it can become, okay, but in MySQL it's not supporting it. Okay, because it's a unique one. Okay, it can take it, but in MySQL we will take it only foreign key as a primary, sorry, primary key as a foreign key. Now next one, something mic is on, something is taking and admin is coming. What? Online, just a minute. Is my voice is okay online? I think some disturbance is there in online. Now okay. Okay. I will just mute everyone. Okay. I don't think someone is talking. Let's mute everyone. Yeah, I hope it will be clear now. Yeah. Thank you. Now let's see, sir. Now, just imagine, just imagine. Now here, see, employees are there. Their offices are there. Offices are connected. Employees are connected. Customers are connected. How they are connected here? What is this code here? What is link between customers and employees? Customers and employees. Which column? Sales representative employee number. Very good. That is a good nice. So imagine I gave you one person. If Prasad is there, So Prasad got it one employee, like one employee sales representative called me and bought one product. I want to know the office of that guy, which office he is going on. So first in customers table, sales representative employee number is there, and that is connected to their employees table employee number. If both are matched, then I can take his details. And what details I will take it? I will take it office code. And then I will match that office code with the offices. Is it clear? And then that offices, I will take it the address line, which I can print it. Initially, anyway, we will do it with 2 tables only. When we go with the subqueries, we will make it more number of tables. Is it clear, ma? Now, let's have a simple introduction only, joins. Now, sir. Now, let's start it. Joins are crucial part of SQL. Joins are the crucial part in the SQL, sir. Okay, any structured query language tool like Oracle, or if you take it MS SQL or MySQL, all will have joins, and these are very important. They are used to combine two tables data and retrieve the data based on two tables Okay, a crucial part means something important, simple. Now here there are different types of joins. First one, inner join. Second one, left join. Third one, right join. Fourth one, full outer join. Which is sometimes it will also called full join. Sir, full outer join, it is actually not supported in MySQL. But in Oracle, it will be there. Oracle, okay, Oracle or MS SQL, it will be there. In MySQL, how we will do it? We will do some union and all. Okay, I will tell you at that time. Okay, now fifth one, self join. Then sixth one, cross join. We won't use it cross join mostly. Actually, it is dangerous. Remaining all we can use it. Now, let's start it here. What is inner join? Sir, if two tables are there, listen, if two tables are there, now I want to get the tables data, which is exactly, I want to get the tables data, which is common in both. I want to get the data based on a condition, which is common in both the tables. Like I want to get this part of data. Okay. It's like, I want to get this part. Why it is there still? This particular data. And this is called inner join. Inner means combined part. Okay. Or I wanted, sir, completely only left side one and the combined. I wanted left side one and combined. Then I will call it something called left join. What it is called? Left join. Sir, I wanted right side one, right side table only second table data and the and the common data. Then I will use something called right join. I will use something called right join. Or I wanted complete data, sir, left side, right side, middle, everything. Then I will use full outer join. Is it clear, sir? Yeah, these are basic joins. Self and cross joins also we will discuss. Now first discuss the common join, sir, which is inner join or the common join. How we will do it now? It's just like the intersection. Yes, it is nothing but intersection actually. Now if you see the table here customer table and order table, are they having it any common data? Customer number. Okay, now I want the customer numbers, and here customer number and this one is common data, sir. Whatever the common data is there, only here only one is there. So whatever the common data is there, that particular common data only I want. In that particular case, we will use something called inner join. How you will do it, sir? Let's go here. Let's start it here. See, the middle part we will get is inner join. So you will write one basic query and you will write it here, inner join. Okay, from table 1 with the inner join. The syntax is so simple, sir. Select column names from table 1 and inner join table 2 on. On is a condition. Do you want it everything, all columns? No. You want it a specific condition. And based on that condition only you will use it. Now here, now uh, works only one database. Yeah, obviously joins will work it internally in database only, sir. Now what will be the best? Let me write it here. Now I will write it all of this control X and control 1 and control X. Okay, let's start it here. Close it, close it, close it. Use classic models. Now select, the names were so simple. Select uh, customer number, customer number, number, and here from table 1 customers. Sir, listen, when you are writing a big query, listen, when you are writing a big query, people will feel it like we are writing a big query. So every time repeating that particular class name or sorry, particular table name or particular field name is difficult. So they will keep some alias, sir. Now I am saying it as T1, as T1. So what is T1 now? Very good. Customers is T1. Inner join. will show actually. Inner join. And here table name, here table name is, let me take a table name orders, orders, orders as T2. Okay. Elias is for AS means Elias sir. It's like some fake name. Okay. For our understanding. And where T1 dot customer name, T1 dot customer number equals to T2 dot customer number. And I want to print it like here also. I want to print T1 dot customer number and T2 dot customer number, both. Now here it's not where it's on. Yeah, perfect. Is it clear, sir? Now listen, what you are doing it is, here you are having a common data. You are printing the common data, sir. You are printing the common data where left side, whatever the value is there. In the left side means in the T1, in the customers table, whatever the customer number is there, and in orders, whatever the customer number is there, if they are matching, only print them. In that cases, only print them. Now here, it will print it, sir. Only the matching cases will print, which is common data. Okay. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts? But sir, in customer number, here I have customer name also. Can I print it here? Customer name. Let's try it here. T1 dot customer name. And now run it. Now see the customers' names are there. Now here the customer names, which is matching. I want to get the customer details, which is matching. Okay. From two tables, sir, which is inner join. So inner join basically will just give you the values, common data, sir, and where based on the common data, you will check the condition. Okay. Now, what if, everyone focus here. What if I want to get it all the details? Okay. From the left side join, then I will use something called left join, sir. Now let's just give you a glance. Now, yeah, by the way, I just want to tell you before it's late, there is no class tomorrow, ma, due to some technical reasons. Like we will have it like again in Monday. Okay, I will give you an assignment also. Huh? No worries, Ray. We will have it from Monday. Okay. Now, so tomorrow is just off. Now again Monday we will have it. Shh. Listen. No snakes. Okay. Now listen. हो गया. Now focus here, ma. In the meanwhile, I want you guys to read it the notes. Just have a read about it. Okay. Now let me show you here. In case, guys, focus here. In case I want to return all the values. I want to return all the values from the left side. I want to return everything from left side. Only the matched records. I wanted matched records and left side, both. In that cases, I will use something called left join. We will do it anyway. Okay. And I wanted something called right side completely and only the matched one. Okay. Matched one and the right side. In that cases, we will use something called right join, sir. Okay. Completely complete one is full join. Just have a go through with this and do any one set, sir. Okay, I will give you one problem also today. I will give you one assignment. If you complete this assignment, I'm 100% sure you will get it at least all the queries whatever we did till now. Okay, then joins we will complete. Joins and procedures we will do it on Monday. Okay, now let's start it here, sir. And in case if anyone missed previous classes, okay, the links also will be there. You can check it on previous classes, sir. Now, let me just a minute. Highest grossing movie collections, Control C. Go here. Desktop, Naresh Shetty. Okay, sir, this is the Google Drive link. I am just uploading it. Control C. Listen, everyone, ma. In case if you are having it still the problem of installation, you can check it the PDF which I gave in that installation steps are there with the screenshots. Okay. All files are in the drive, sir. Drive, if anyone not having it, I'm giving the drive link online. Offline people can scan it down, which you will get it. Okay. I uploaded complete class, sir. I just uploaded the newest aggregate functions. No worries. Now, see, sir, here, what are the main things? Guys, here I gave one thing called highest Hollywood grossing movies. One CSV file is there, right? You don't need to go to Kaggle and download. You can directly download from here. CSV file is there. Download the CSV file and let's write some assignment. Let's open it up. Movies 2. Now in this, we are having titles, movie info, year, distributor, budget, sales, genres, running time. Now, everyone, focus here. Take the highest gross collection.csv file and import it using wizard. Command line client people can take it an assignment on their own by taking the classic models, which is also suggestible. Now here I am giving this value in this. First, find and categorize highest collected stars. I want the person who collected the highest gross collection to be first in ascending order. Okay. Now, listen, find and categorize highest collected stars in ascending order. Sir, in case if you are not finding the .csv file for me, like you can type it the same name in the Kaggle also, you can download it. If you go to Kaggle highest gross data sets. What is my data? Highest grossing movies, is it? Highest Hollywood grossing movies. Highest Hollywood datasets. See, where is this ray? Huh? Only movies అని కొడితే వస్తుందా? Listen, last one I think. Highest grossing one. Okay. But in the drive it is there. Why it is coming it as 0 bytes? Let's just refresh it. Okay, aggregate functions, I will upload it later, but here if I open it, is it coming? Yeah, it is there. For some people, it's not working. I think check it. Aggregate functions, I will upload it later, ma. I think it's coming as empty. Okay. Now, let's write the assignment. I want the people to categorize, use whatever group by or order by, however you like it. I want it like star, for example, Brad Pitt. Okay, if and his collection. Highest one, highest collected. If you don't print collection, also fine for me. But I wanted highest collected person top. Then next, then next, then next. Okay. Now group the directors with the number of movies he did he did ascending order. So I want it like Christopher Nolan, how many movies? And then another one, how many movies? And then another one, how many movies? Like that, I want the list of all directors. Is it clear, sir? Now, what more I can do here? Here. Now, next, group the collection. Group the collection of movies based on year. Okay. I want it like same in ascending order only. Highest collected years, like this year this much collection. Okay, next year 2018, what is the highest collection? Then 2019, what is the collection total? Like I wanted to group you based on the collections. Okay, is it clear, sir? And then next we will do one more and finalize it. Worldwide sales, release date, genre is having an array, that is a problem here. Budget is there here. Budget is there, na? Budget, and here something is there, sales, international sales. Now print the name of movies, print the names of movies who crossed budget in their sales. Sir, I want the movies collection to be greater than their budget, sir. Whichever the movies whose collection is greater than the budget, I want their list. Okay, based on year, based on year. Okay, like print with their years also, based on year instead of based on year, order on year. Okay, like according to the year wise, 2010 two movies come and their names and their They are greater than their budget. They got their sales greater than budget. Last, guys, is it clear? Listen, some people are not listening, and it's by face I can know that. Okay, so I'm telling them clearly on the face, don't come. It's waste for you if you don't listen. Okay, just go and sit at home. That would be easy for you. When you come here, either try to listen or try to think. Both are okay for me. So I expect everyone to do this by Monday. Okay, you all have your points. You can try to do this in your free time. And if anyone is free more, go with Sunday or Saturday and try to download another data set from Kaggle and try to play with it. Okay. Yeah. If you get any doubts, sir, I want this query answer. I want this particular query answer. And if you get any doubts, bring it on Monday. We will do all your doubts. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Thank you all. Yeah. Online, any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts, ma? Yeah. Next class will be in Monday. Yes. Okay. I hope no doubts. If anyone wants to import any file, you can right click here on the tables and you will get the data import wizard and then you can do it, sir. For installation and imported, Pawan Kalyan, if you want to import it, like right click here, table data import wizard, select the file and then click next. Automatically it will be installed. For installing, obviously check it the procedure, sir. Sorry. డౌట్ ఉందా? చేశాను కదా, చేశా కదరా లాస్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ వన్. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yesterday one only I did na. See, I did this. The year which is released year is 2018 and I want the greater than, then I want the year. And then you have to do alter the table. Then you have to alter the table and one by default put them as one data. You only put the data by default as something called flop or something. Put whole thing flop. Then come to this command. In this command, alter it. Okay. Whatever the tables are based on the condition, alter. Whatever satisfies this condition, only those tables. How you will do it, sir? Alter table, column name, not alter, update. How do you do that? Update. Alter is for adding. Then you will do update and then you will give it set and you will give the column name. You will give whatever the value hit with this condition. Is it clear? If you give this, if you alter it here also, imagine I alter table, add, add column, what is the column name? Imagine whatever the column name you gave, and here you will give varchar something 10 default flop. So by default, what it will happen if flop hota? Then here I will update that particular column and I will set it to hit only if they satisfy this condition. वही चाहिए, तुम think करना पड़ता, सोचना पड़ता. Okay? Yeah. A safe mode syntax is also there. Yeah. Homework ఫోటో ఎందుకురా, మొత్తం అంతా ఫైల్ ఇస్తా నాకు. I will just keep it here. the whole file, new dot txt, what is date 3/24, మొత్తం ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో. ఓకేనా? అది చూసుకొని నువ్వే చేసుకో. SQL safe update mode. You have to write it. If you don't write it, update will not write. What is the query you have to write it? Huh? Huh? SQL safe update change karna. SQL, see, how do you change it, sir? You have to write it here. SQL safe updates equals to false array. Yeah, both the name same. Yeah. Then it will work automatically. Okay. You have to put set SQL. Yeah, it will work. Huh? You can ask admin. Admin will provide it. Or what I will